Welcome to this Sun Salutation practice. This video is the third in a series of 3 Sun Salutations. I'll attach the links below so you can also check out those videos. Let's begin at the top of the mat. Inhale, reach up overhead. Interlace all the fingers, extending the index fingers. Now exhale, big bend to the right. Inhale back overhead. Exhale, big bend left. Nice stretch on the right side of the body. Inhale, reach overhead. Then a slight lean back. Exhale, tucking the tailbone. Protect that lower back. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, big forward fold, rounded spine. Release the hands. Place them firmly on the mat. Knees can be bent here. Big step back with the right leg. Step the left leg back into plank pose, setting us up for our side plank. Lower to the knees and center the right hand under the chest. Rotating onto the right knee, reaching up, side plank. Couple options here, taking the bottom knee away, scissoring the feet, or stacking the feet, or lifting the top leg. Your choice. Lower back onto the knee. Return back to plank. Knees or feet, elbows point back. Exhale, lower chaturanga. Inhale, lift the chest, cobra. Extend the arms toward the back of your mat. Either reach the arms or interlace the fingers. Option 2, lift the legs, squeezing those inner thighs together. Extending through the legs, reaching the feet toward the wall behind you. Release the arms, hands to the mat, pressing back to tabletop, lifting to your down dog, pedal through the feet, gaze toward the top of the mat, soften through the knees, lightly jump toward the top of your mat, landing as quietly as you can. Begin rounding up, circling the arms overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Repeating that on the left side. Inhale, pressing overhead, hands interlaced. Exhale, big bend left. Inhale up. Exhale, big bend right. Inhale up. And then exhale, leaning back, gazing up. Inhale, big exhale, forward fold. Release the hands to the mat. Step back left, step back right, plank. Center the left hand under the chest, lower to the knees. Rotate open to the right. Option 2, lift the left knee, either scissoring or stacking the feet, reaching up or reaching overhead. Option 2, lift the top leg, your choice. Come back to your center plank. Stay on the feet or lower to the knees. Pointing the elbows back, exhale, lower the chest, chaturanga. Lift the chest to cobra. Either reach the arms back or interlace all the fingers behind the back, squeezing the shoulder blades. Option 2, lift the legs. Release the hands back to the mat, pressing back. Lifting the hips to down dog. Pedal through the feet, gaze toward the top of the mat. Here's that gentle, quiet jump toward the top of the mat, as close as you can get the feet toward the hands. Begin rounding up, circle the arms overhead, hands together, exhale to prayer. Let's run through this one more time with a little bit less guidance, and be sure to check out my first 2 videos of this series. Top of the mat, hands in prayer. Inhale, press overhead. Exhale, bend right. Inhale, up. Exhale, bend left. Inhale, up. Exhale, leaning back, gazing up. Inhale, straight up. Exhale, big forward fold, rounded spine. Hands to the mat. Step back right, left, plank. Center the right hand under the chest. Spin onto the outer edge of the right foot for side plank. Option 2, keep the knee down or lift the top leg. Coming back to plank on the feet or the knees. Elbows point back. Exhale, lower to the mat. Inhale, lift the chest. Reach the arms back, locust pose. Lifting the chest, extending through the legs. Release the arms, press back, lift to down dog. Smooth, quiet jump, top of the mat. Inhale, rounding up, circling the arms overhead. Exhale, prayer. Last time through on the left side. Inhale, press up. Exhale, bend left. Inhale up. Exhale, bend right. Inhale up. Exhale, leaning back. Inhale up. Exhale, forward fold. Hands on the mat. Step back left, right. Center the left hand. Spin onto the outer edge of the left foot, lowering the knee if you choose. Scissor. Lift that top leg if you'd like. Last chance. Return back to plank. Exhale, lower the chest, chaturanga. Inhale, cobra. Reaching back, interlace the hands, locust pose. Drop the chin slightly. Release the arms. Press back. Exhale, lift to down dog. Quiet jump, top of the mat. Circle the arms up. Inhale. Exhale to prayer. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for another sun salutation practice. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up button. I'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Share with me what benefit you get out of sun salutations. See you in the next video.